Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the Racer Mickey short riding gloves. The Racer Mickey short riding gloves retail for $119.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I've got a 2X on right now, and they feel good right out of the bag. Who are these gloves right for? These gloves are right for any street rider that is looking for a comfortable, protective, ventilated, short street riding glove. These are manufactured using a combination of leather and Clarino, which is basically a synthetic leather. You're going to find the Clarino here on the palm with some leather overlays. You can see the silicone injected grip diamonds and the Racer logo there on the fingers of the glove. Knuckle protectors, TPR. A little bit of mesh is used here in these two fingers to promote more airflow. Very perforated panel there, highly perforated. It has these hard protectors that are overlaid with super fabric on the knuckles, and you can see they're split so it's super comfortable in that area, as well as here in the palm. What's with the palm sliders? What are those all about? Well, most of us instinctively, when we fall down, we're going to put our hands out to brace for impact. You do that in a standard pair of, say, textile or leather riding gloves and come in contact with the road surface, it's going to grab. And that can load the glove up, pull the glove apart, or transmit energy to your wrist and create some damage with the scaphoid. It's a very low blood flow bone. It's hard to heal, takes a long time. It's a common injury, motorcycle crashes, motorcycle racing crashes. For that reason, palm sliders were invented. I'm pretty sure the company Knox is the one who invented the whole concept many years ago. These slide much easier. You can hear that really wants to slide. And it helps to just kind of get your hand out from underneath you and not load the glove up. Protective, yet they locate it in a spot where when you have your hands on the bars, you don't even notice the thing is there. So you get all the protection without any of the obstruction. Leather overlay in the areas where your hands are going to contact the bars most, keep the service life of the glove higher. Leather overlay here in the high impact zone on the palm. Clarino side. Little TPR Racer detail there on the back, also bolsters protection. You can see this is kind of a mid-height glove. The cuff really tightens up nicely. It's pretty slim in that area. For that reason, you're going to be able to get pretty much any jacket sleeve over the top of it. Entry and exit is managed right here with Velcro. This is a line glove that offers a strong measure of comfort. We did a video on this model many years ago. That was when we were in our first video studio. It was actually a long time ago. We're redoing all the Racer videos for the glove models that are still current today to update for pricing, and also because within the last few months, we have acquired the rights for U.S. distribution for Racer. That company's being run by my son, Max Van, with support from the old man, of course. Our friend Lee decided to retire. We've been doing business for Racer and offering them on our website for many years. Our customers have had a great experience with the product. It really aligns with who we are as a company here at STG. So when the opportunity presented itself, we decided to jump on it. We're proud to be partnered up with this brand from here to many years forward. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. Answer all that stuff myself. And I'm here to help you choose the right glove for your next ride.